Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all secret codes that you can enter in the phone app on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing, let's open the phone app and let's open the keypads. Now let me show you the first code, that is the asterisk #06 hashtag. This opens the device information with IMEI numbers, ICC-ID and EID, as well as the serial number. Another code that you can use is pretty similar, but instead of 06 you want to use 07. And this opens the regulatory information. Another code that you can use is this one. This will be a little bit different. And it ends like this with the asterisk. And this opens the calendar info. Another one, also similar to the previous one. But instead of 225, you want to use 426. And this opens the FCM Diagnostics. Next, we have the testing menu with this combination. And there we go. We have a bunch of different options over here, which are normally not available. So we have the bugging information for 5G and for LTE. We have phone information over here, which, oh, there we go, it opens, where we can find the phone number, etc. And some specifications where we can run the ping test. We have the usage statistics, where we can check the recently used apps and the usage time of every app. We can also sort by different categories. And we also have Wi-Fi information, where we can check the Wi-Fi API, config and status, as well as NFC settings over here. And there was supposed to be one more code, however it doesn't work. Maybe in your case it will work, so I'm gonna show it regardless. And it runs like this. And there was supposed to be another test mode, however, like I said, it doesn't work in my case. It gets deleted, the code is gone, but nothing shows up. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!